There are 3 ways to add students to your online account: manually, by generating a student registration code, and importing a student list. To manually add students, log in at www.studiesweekly.com/online and select classes in the top navigation bar of the website. Go to the Manage Students tab and select Add Student. Next, add the student's information and create a unique username and password. Studies Weekly integrates with Google Classroom, so if you are using that integration, the Studies Weekly username must match the student's Google Classroom email. When you have finished adding all of your students, go to the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Export Students from this class. A CSV file will download to your computer. Open the file and provide the login information to your students. The second way to add students is by generating a registration code. After logging into your account, select Classes in the top navigation bar of the website. Go to the Manage Students tab and select the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select Generate Student Registration Codes and enter the number of students. A PDF file will download to your computer. Open the file, print it, and hand out the codes to your students for them to register on their own. Finally, the third way to add students is by importing a student list. A helpful Excel template for the process is found by clicking on the PD Training tab. From there, select the How to Use Studies Weekly category. Then select Import Student Roster Template. A quick way to get to it is to turn off videos and PDFs. Fill out each student's information. Parent name and email are optional. When you are done, select the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and choose Import Students to this class. Follow the prompts and hit Upload File. A new screen will open. In the top row, you will select the fields that correspond with the column. If your spreadsheet had a header row, you will want to exclude that row by checking the box related to that row. Finally, select Import. If a username already exists, you will be prompted to change it.